stopped running my Meta ads, as now I send email campaigns to all my leads and customers, and they are so attracted by those campaigns that there are a lot of sales in my business. So hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. Now in my business, whenever I have a flash sale or I want to promote any of the products, what I do is I don't run ads through Google Ads or Facebook Meta ads. I simply create drip email campaigns and send them at once to all my customers or leads. So you can see I have currently a flash sale running for 50 to 75% off. And this is my customer's email address. And you can see this is the kind of email I share towards my customer, where I promote the biggest flash sale I have. I have added this amazing image. Now through this email, all my customers or leads are attracted. They click on this button and buy the products in my business right away. So running ads for your business is very costly. Instead of that, what you can do is you can create amazing email campaigns and save up a lot of money for your business just by sending these amazing emails. Now, how do I manage sending email or creating email campaign? I use this amazing software, that is Pabbly Email Marketing. We have launched the new beta method version where we have added new features and very amazing and useful features for all the business owners. Okay, so I will be using Pabbly Email Marketing in order to create these amazing email campaigns. Simply open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/email marketing, and the landing page is going to appear in front of you. Over here in the landing page, you will find two options: sign in or sign up for free. Now if you're a new user, you do not have an account with us, don't worry, sign up for free from here and you will get some free tasks in order to test out what Pabbly email marketing is. And also, if you like using Pabbly email marketing and you want to purchase yearly or lifetime deals and you want an instant discount, so as you're watching my video right now, I will give you a secret, that is this code on the left side. The code will give you instant discounts on the purchase of yearly and lifetime deals with Pabbly. Go and use this code and create this amazing email campaign that I will show you in this video for your business right away. Not just that, you can create multiple email campaigns also. Okay. So now, as I'm already a user, I will sign in from here. Then you will see all Pabbly apps is going to appear. As I want to use Pabbly email marketing, I'm going to click on this access now button. And you will see there are two Pabbly email marketing versions. We'll select the new beta method one because new features are added in the new one. Okay. And you will see Pabbly email marketing's dashboard is next going to appear in front of you. If you want to learn how you can create setup of Pabbly email marketing, like adding your business, if you want to learn what are the features of Pabbly email marketing in brief, you can check out all the videos that we have added in the description sections. The links are added there, and also the code with the help of which you will get instant discount is also added in the description. Okay, so if you want to learn and set up your business inside Pabbly email marketing, first see all those videos and then come back right here to create the campaign. Now in order to create the campaign, simply go towards this campaign section right here. After coming to the campaign section, in order to add a new campaign, click on this create email button, in which first we have to select the campaign type under campaign details. So campaign type mine is going to be regular, so I will select it. Next it is asking for the campaign name. For the campaign name, what I will do is I will write over here as flash sale email. Okay, for the from name, I will write my business name, that is Team Natural Glow Skincare, and then it is asking for the subject and the pre-header of the email. So for the subject, I will write it as flash sale live up to 75% off Natural Glow Skincare. So this is the subject that I've written, and now I am going to enter the pre-header. This is the pre-header that I've written: limited time flash sale on best-selling natural skincare, save up to 75% before it ends. Okay, so I've written all the details, and if you want to see the live preview while entering the details, you will see it on this left side, the name, the subject, as well as the pre-header. Okay, you will see the details like this. I have entered the correct things, so I'm going to click on this continue button. Now you have to choose the template. So if you have already created a template before, and if you want to learn what is template, you can check out the templates video in the description section below. Okay, I have not created a template right here, so I will create the template from scratch. There are three methods that you can create your own email: drag and drop builder, rich text editor, and custom HTML editor. I will select the option drag and drop builder right over here, but if you want to learn other 2 editors, you can check out the video added in the description section where we have explained 3 of the methods one by one. Okay, I have selected the drag and drop method. Now over here we have to drag and drop certain blocks that we want on our email campaign. First, I want a header, so I'm going to drag and drop this header right here. I will first create the entire setup and then edit the things. I want the title, I want the image right here. With the image, I want the text, and then I want a button to add my website. So I will add the button. With that button, I last want the socials to be added. Okay. So this is the body that I've entered. Now I will edit it out. I want the logo of my business to be added here. So I'm going to click on it. So now you have to upload the image that you want to upload on your email campaign right here. For that, click on this upload file button. Click right here, select the image from your computer, and you will upload that file from this button. Okay, I've already uploaded my business logo, so I will insert that logo. Okay, next it is asking for the title. For this title, I will write it as, so this is the title that I've entered. I will make this text small. Okay, and I want to change the font, let's suppose like this. Okay, so this is the text. So I've written, it's centralized right here. You can see the number has been changed. With that, the font is also changed. Okay, so now this is the title I have. Your skin deserves natural, clear and amazing deals. Now for the image, I've added the image already, so I'm going to insert that image. So this is the image I want to upload. Remember, the files that you're uploading should be the files that you're uploading inside Pabbly email marketing. Currently we have the limit of 500 KB space. Okay, so remember to have all the files under 500 KB. Now next over here, I have to enter the text. For the text over here, I will write it as, so this is the text that I have written. The text is, for a limited time only, Natural Glow Skincare is offering our biggest flash sale ever with the massive saving of the on your favorite products. Enjoy 50 to 75% off on selected best-selling skincare. Okay, you can see this is the small body I want. If you want, you can add in more details, more text according to your business requirements. Okay, now over here for get started today, I want to edit this name of this button. So I will write over here buy now. You can see it has been edited. Now with that, if you want, you can add the link. I will, for suppose, add the link as www.pabbly.com. You have to add your business link right here. Next, for the socials, for the link of the socials, you have to add your own social media links. Just for the test, I will add in the Pabbly email marketing link right here. And also you have the option of removing any of the social medias logo from here. Okay, so I've removed the Twitter one. So this is the campaign that I want to send. Now you will see over here some details are written. These details are going to be fixed with every email that you share using Pabbly email marketing, because it's a law that you have to share a footer like this with every email that you share as a business owners towards your customers or leads. So this will not be removed. Okay, so now this is the campaign that I've created. So now if you want to save this flash sale email campaign that I've created, if you want to save this template, you can save this template from here directly, and this template will be added inside your template section that you have created, so that later you can use this template. If you like it so much, you can later use it again. Okay, instead of creating it from the scratch, you can save this template from here. Okay, if you want to preview the template, you will preview it from here. You can view it from the phone. So this is how it is going to look like on phone. This is how it is going to look like on your desktop. Okay, so now I've entered all the things that I wanted. So I'm going to click on this send button. Now as you're going to click on send button, now to send the campaign, we are going to finalize all the details. Campaign name, subject. If you want to add a variable in your subject, you can add a variable from this section right here. This was the pre-header. Now this is the from name, Team Natural Glow Skincare. Now I have to select the delivery server. If you want to learn how you can add your own delivery server inside Pabbly email marketing or create one, you can check out the delivery server video that we have already created. That title is going to be for the settings section of Pabbly email marketing. Go and check that video. We have explained how you can add your own delivery server. Okay, so I will select the delivery server that I've already added in my account right here, as well as the from email. Okay, now after that, it is asking for the recipient details to whom you want to send the email campaign to. If you have created a list inside your Pabbly email marketing, simply go towards the subscriber and subscribers list section right here. I will open it on a new tab. You will see that I have created one list inside my Pabbly email marketing account in the name of what? In the name of new subscribers. You can create multiple lists from this plus section right here. So if I want, I can send the emails to a specific list in which I've added n numbers of subscribers. So you have to select that list over here. You can select that list. You can see this is the list I've created new subscribers. I can confirm confirm and add this list right here. In place of 1, you can add n number of lists. So let's suppose you have 4 lists, you can add those 4 lists over here according to your requirement. And if there are some subscribers who are not added in your list and currently you just directly want to add them over here in this campaign instead of going back and forth, what you can do is over here in the add email section, you can simply add that subscriber's email address like this and just enter, and you can see that subscriber email address has been added. You can add up to 200 individual email addresses in this field as well. Okay, so this is how you select the subscribers list. Next is send or save campaign. Now if you want, you can save this campaign in the draft and send this campaign later. If you want, you can send this campaign at a particular scheduled time. So let's suppose your flash sale that you're running is not going to start today. It is going to start tomorrow at 12 p.m. Okay. In that case, what you can do is you can schedule this campaign for later. Select the date over here. So let's suppose the date is going to be 8th at 12 p.m. So what you can do is you can select over here as 12 p.m. Okay it, and you will see this campaign will be forwarded to the list that you have selected and the subscribers at the particular date and time that you have selected later. Okay, now if you want, you can send this campaign instantly at the same point as well. For that, simply you have to click on the send email button. Now you have to confirm all the details. It says you're all set, just look at it's right or not. So you will see right here. If you want, you can preview the campaign from here directly. On a new tab, the preview will be open. So this is how the email is going to look like to all your subscribers. You liked it? Then simply send that email campaign from here. It says campaign is being sent successfully. It says sending. So now as it says sending, let me open my email address to check whether I have received this email from this campaign or not. So let me open my Gmail account. And yes, you can see I have received the email flash sale live up to 75% off on natural glow skincare. You can see the same email with all the details has been forwarded right here on my Gmail account. Okay, so as now I have received this email successfully, this campaign is running. It is forwarding the email to all the people who were added in the list. So as it is going to be completed, the status will update itself as sent. Okay, so now this is how you send emails to all your subscribers at once, and now you don't have to run ads for your business. Create such amazing email campaigns and you can promote the discounts in your business, you can promote your business, you can promote the products, you can do everything with the help of this amazing technique. Now as this campaign is running currently, let the status be updated as sent. Now as the status has been updated as sent, you can view the report from here directly. You can see the report of the campaign that you ran through Pabbly email marketing. You can see a detailed report right here. With that, if you want to see some stats, you can see all the stats directly in the Pabbly email marketing section right here. Okay, so now this is how you can also promote your business without spending a huge amount of money. Okay, so if you have any questions or doubts related to this video or anything, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Remember to use the code that is on the left side and add it in the description section if you're purchasing our plan, yearly or lifetime deal. Okay, so this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.